Hi guys, my name is Abba and welcome back to my Amazin Kitchen. Today we are not going to be doing any cooking. I'm going to show you how you can prevent your sink from clogging. So come along and let's get right into it. We will need some fine soda or silver soda, also known as crystal soda or washing soda. And mind you, this is not baking soda. Baking soda is edible. You can use it to bake, to cook, and sometimes also to clean, but fine soda or washing soda is not edible. So this is the baking soda we all know, but that is not what we need, all right? So this is how the silver soda or the washing soda looks like. It looks a bit wet, but it's not, and it can clump up, but the baking soda looks like salt. So that's the difference. So on your left, we have the washing soda, and on your right, the baking soda we all know. So make sure to look out for the correct one when you are buying it for this purpose. So block your sink and fill it with about 2 or 3 liters of hot water. And I'm just using the hot water from my tap, but you can also boil some hot water and pour it into your sink. Now add about a tablespoon of the washing soda to your hot water. And I'm just eyeballing it. I don't bother to measure it. Also about a tablespoon is fine. And I'm going to dissolve it with my hand gloves on. And when it is well dissolved, I'm going to release the blockage and allow the water to go down the drain. After this, do not use your sink for about 6 to 8 hours. So I normally do this overnight. And then in the morning, I can use my sink as I normally would. Now do this at least once a week and you would never have to call your plumber again. What this does is that it degreases your pipes or your tubes and it prevents new clogging from happening. I really hope you try this in your kitchen to prevent that sink from clogging. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!